Hello, my name is Anissa, and today we are going to make gado-gado. Gado-gado is kind of Indonesian salad. You can make it with all the raw veggies or the cooked veggies. This is really good for vegan option as well as for keto. So let's see what we have here. First of all, we will go to the main ingredient, which is peanut. You can have ready peanut, or you can fry it on your own, or you can roast it, depend on your preference. But traditionally you fry with the oil, not roasted. And I use the ready-made one, which is already salted, so we will just reduce the salt we are using because this is already salt. And then we have brown sugar. This is for the sauce, for the peanut sauce. And then we have here salt, sugar, but this is not necessary need. And then the garlic, chili. This only 3 chili because this is a really spicy chili. If you don't like spicy, you can leave it up. Or if you only like little spicy, you can use the big chili. And then we usually use tamarind, but if you don't have tamarind, you can use lime or some dried plum. And then we have lime leaves for the taste, for the smell. And this one is very special. This is called kencur in Indonesia, but we don't have much here in Finland. This is brought from Indonesia, frozen, but you can get it in powder. So it's called Kaempferia galanga. Yeah, so you can get it in powder. You can get it in Asian groceries. Sweet soya sauce. This time I have from other kind of bean, but usually I use soya sauce, but this one also good because this is a substitute for people who are allergic to soya. And then I have shallot. I will fry them only for the garnish, but it will give a good taste to your gado-gado. You can leave it without. And then we will go to the other ingredients. The veggies is up to you. What you like, what you prefer, what is suitable for your body, because not everyone suitable with the kale, but this is what usually we use. And then we have cabbage. I have violet cabbage for the raw one. I will make 2 versions, cook and raw. And then we have this mung bean sprout. This is really good, really healthy, and I love it. And then we have cucumber, and we have green bean, really healthy. And then we have carrot. This is our meat. This is tofu, which is from soya, and this is really high protein. And this is tempe. It's from the whole grain soya fermented. This is special from Indonesia. Indonesian product. But you can find it here. We want to cut this into any kind of cut you want, and then we will fry them. Before we fry them, we will marinate them with the salt, or if you have salt and pepper and garlic, that's also good, but you can also without, because anyway we will eat this with the sauce. That's not really necessary, but anyway I like it to have a little taste, so I will put some salt and pepper in the water and put it a little bit.
First, we're going to deep fry the shallots, the tempeh, and tofu. Fry the sliced shallots. Deep fry until golden brown and crispy. The shallots give a nice aroma to the oil, and that's why we're frying them first. Drain and set aside. Next up, fry the tempeh until golden brown and crispy. Drain and set aside. Next up, tofu. Fry until golden brown and crispy. Drain the tofu and set aside. Pour the oil out of the wok and add plenty of water. We're going to now cook our veggies, starting with kale. Cook your kale according to how crunchy or soft you like it. After it's cooked, drop it into some cold water. Next up, we're going to cook the cabbage, green beans, and carrots, just briefly. While the veggies are cooking, drain the kale and chop it. When the veggies are done, drain them. And now it's time for the sauce. Measure the fresh ingredients into a blender, including those golden brown peanuts, brown sugar, and salt. Add hot water and blend. Add more water if you'd like a more liquid consistency and keep blending. Add your soy sauce, your lime or tamarind, and keep blending until smooth. Finally, give it a taste.
It's supposed to taste like a little salty, and then a little sweet, a little sour and spicy.
And now for the fun part. We're going to plate our salads. First, we're plating the cooked salad, starting with the cabbage, carrots, and green beans. And then the kale. We're going to add some fresh cucumber for the crunch. And the fried tofu and tempeh, followed by a generous topping of peanut sauce. Garnish with crunchy fried shallots. If you eat eggs, you can add some eggs to your salad. A slice of lime adds flavor, and that's it for our cooked salad. Next up, we're going to assemble the raw salad, doing the exact same thing, and adding the fried tofu and tempeh, of course. A slice of lime, an egg to the salad as well, and then your peanut sauce and shallots, and there we have it.
Alright, now we have our gado-gado, the cooked gado-gado and the raw gado-gado. This is really healthy, full of nutrients, it is vegan, if you just leave out the egg, and also keto if you just don't put any rice. So this is really easy to make and very healthy, and most important is really delicious, trust me. And I hope you can try it home, and please write in the comment below if you would like to have another Indonesian food recipes, and I'm sure I will be so happy to make it for you.